100 UPSC Prelims General Studies questions. Question number 1. Tabo Monastery is located in which of the following states? Arunachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Manipur, Himachal Pradesh. Correct answer is Himachal Pradesh. Question number 2. The rulers of which dynasty were first to make land grants to Brahmins? Chola, Maurya, Satvahana or Sunga? The correct answer is Satvahana. Question number 3. Which physician was sent by Bimbisar to treat Avanti king Pradyota? Jivaka, Udayin, Kal Ashok, Shushruta. And the correct answer is Jivaka. Question number 4. Which is the largest and broadest river of South India? Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada. And the correct answer is Godavari. Question number 5. Fong Fui in Mizoram is also known as which of the following? Green Mountain, Blue Mountain, Mizo or Yellow Mountain? And the correct answer is Blue Mountain. Question number 6. The national motto of India, Satyamev Jayate, inscribed below the emblem of India is taken from Mundaka, Katha, Aitreya, Chandogya. And the answer is Mundaka. Question number 7. The religion of early Vedic Aryans was primarily of Bhakti, worship of nature and Bhakti, worship of nature and Yajnas, image worship and Yajnas. And the correct answer is worship of nature and Yajnas. Question number 8. The Ghadr or Ghadar was an association of Indians from San Francisco, Berlin, Istanbul, Tashkent. Correct answer is San Francisco. Question number 9. During independence movement, newspaper Kesari was published by Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal or Subhash Chandra Bose. And the correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 10. Who had drafted the Declaration of Independence pledge in 1930? Jawaharlal Nehru, Motilal Nehru, Subhash Bose, Mahatma Gandhi. And the correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 11. Which species of timber has a large amount of oil, making it more durable? Mahogany, cedar, teak, ebony. And the correct answer is teak. Question number 12. Which mineral is an important input in steel manufacturing activity? Manganese, nickel, coal, magnesium. And the correct answer is manganese. Question number 13. Which among the following areas has been important for rubber gathering? Coniferous forest, deciduous forest, temperate forest or tropical forest? And the correct answer is tropical forests. Question number 14. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Bentinck, Lord Canning, Warren Hastings or Lord Curzon? And the correct answer is Lord Canning. Question number 15. The Pune Pact of 1932 is related to which of these group of people? Indian depressed class, Indian farmers, Indian housewives, Indian soldiers. And the correct answer is Indian depressed class. Question number 16. The resolution of total independence of India was passed in whose tenure? Lord Curzon, Lord Chelmsford, Lord Irwin, Lord Wavell. The correct answer is Lord Irwin. Question number 17. Who among the following Mughal emperors was illiterate? Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. And the correct answer is Akbar. Question number 18. Who started the office of Diwan-e-Arz? Balban, Razia Sultan, Iltutmish or Kutubuddin Aibak? The correct answer is Balban. Question number 19. Which poet used to write the Urdu ghazals with the pen name Asad? Mir Taqi Mir, Mirza Ghalib, Faiz Ahmad Faiz or Amir Khusro? And the correct answer is Mirza Ghalib. Question number 20. Who conspired against Ibrahim Lodi and invited Babur to invade Delhi? Bahloul Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, Sher Shah Suri, Daulat Khan Lodi. And the correct answer is Daulat Khan Lodi. Question number 21. Borlaug Institute for South Asia (BISA) has been established in India in Kolkata, Chandigarh, Surat, Ludhiana. And the correct answer is Ludhiana. Question number 22. Mushroom cultivation is successful in Kashmir because cold climate, availability of mule dung and paddy straw, suitable soil, mushroom is an intercrop to saffron. And the correct answer is availability of mule dung and paddy straw. Question number 23. The mountain pass that forms the tri-junction of India, China and Myanmar is Jelepla, Nathula, Dhipu, Bomdila. And the correct answer is Dhipu. Question number 24. Which country shares the largest border length with India? China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan. And the correct answer is Bangladesh. Question number 25. The K2 peak is located in which of the following ranges? Karakoram, Himalaya, Kumaon, Pir Panjal. And the correct answer is Karakoram. Question number 26. Which among the following is the capital of West Sikkim? Gangtok, Mangan, Thimphu, Gyaltsing. And the correct answer is Gyaltsing. Question number 27. All India Kisan Sabha, first peasants organization of India, was constituted in 1919, 1984, 1936 or 1975. And the correct answer is 1936. Question number 28. For which commodities the Dutch wanted to barter cotton goods in the Indonesian archipelago? Tobacco, coffee, rubber, pepper and spices. And the correct answer is pepper and spices. Question number 29. Lord Wavell was the Viceroy of India at which of the following events? First Roundtable Conference, Cabinet Mission Plan, Quit India Movement or Civil Disobedience Movement. And the correct answer is Cabinet Mission Plan. Question number 30. Who among the following is the author of Mahatma Gandhi and his myths? Mark Shepard, Minu Masani, Dominique Lepere, William Dalrymple. And the correct answer is Mark Shepard. Question number 31. Which is the first state in India who introduced oak tussar industry? Orissa, Madhya Pradesh, Manipur, Karnataka. And the correct answer is Manipur. Question number 32. Which among the following is not located in Rajasthan? Narwar Fort, Karni Mata Temple, Junagadh Fort or Eklingaji? And the correct answer is Narwar Fort. Question number 33. Which among the following is most polluting industry among these? Synthetic rubber, stone crushing, food processing, cement. And the correct answer is cement. Question number 34. In India, the document Plant Protection Code is being used for coffee industry, tea industry, rubber industry or cotton industry? And the correct answer is tea industry. Question number 35. Niska was used as a medium of exchange in which period? Vedic period, Gupta period, Maurya period, Sangam period. And the correct answer is Vedic period. Question number 36. The Bodhisattva doctrine is associated with Hinayan Buddhism, Vajrayana Buddhism, Mahayana Buddhism or Theravada Buddhism? The correct answer is Mahayana Buddhism. Question number 37. Rigved Samhita denotes 1/4 of its hymns to Indra, Rudra, Marut, Agni. And the correct answer is Indra. Question number 38. Where was second Buddhist council held? Vaishali, Satparni, Patliputra, Kundalwan. And the correct answer is Vaishali. Question number 39. In which of these places is the Ashoka's pillar with 4 lions? Patliputra, Sarnath, Vaishali, Lauria, Nandangarh. And the correct answer is Sarnath. Question number 40. In which Mahajanpada did Lord Buddha attain Parinirvana? Ang, Magad, Vats, Malla. And the correct answer is Malla. Question number 41. Events which occurred before the invention of writing come under protohistory, history, prehistory, folklore. Correct answer is prehistory. Question number 42. What is the position of Indian Railways network in the world? First, second, third or fourth? Correct answer is third. Question number 43. Which river is located in Calcutta? Sabarmati, Gomti, Tapti, Hooghly. And the correct answer is Hooghly. Question number 44. Who is said to be the father of the Indian space program? K. Kasturirangan, Dr. Vikram A. Sarabhai, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam or Professor Satish Dhawan? And the correct answer is Dr. Vikram A. Sarabhai. Question number 45. Which ancient ruler is credited with shifting the capital from Rajgir to Patliputra? Kakavarin, Dhananand, Ajatshatru, Chandragupta Maurya. And the correct answer is Kakavarin. Question number 46. What was the other name of Dasas during Rig Vedic period? Yadu, Dasyu, Evrata, Dhruyu. And the correct answer is Evrata. Question number 47. Which of the following rivers does not meet the Bay of Bengal? Tapi or Tapti, Mahanadi, Vaigal, Godavari. And the correct answer is Tapi or Tapti. Question number 48. Himalayan mountain system originated from which geosyncline? Tethys geosyncline, Ural geosyncline, Rocky geosyncline or Pangaea? And the correct answer is Tethys geosynclines. Question number 49. Which of the following is true about Avesta? It is an Indian text, it is an Iranian text, it is a Chinese text or it is a European text? Correct answer is it is an Iranian text. Question number 50. Which of the following means the limbs of the Vedas? Upanishads, Vedanta, Puranas or Vedanga? The correct answer is Vedanga. Question number 51. Where is Integral Coach Factory located? Chittaranjan, Bhopal, Chennai or Jabalpur? And the correct answer is Chennai. Question number 52. Which of the following is not a major family of languages spoken in India? Dravidian, Sino-Tibetan, Altaic or Indo-European? And the correct answer is Altaic. Question number 53. Which place in India is known for its distinct French culture? Daman and Diu, Goa, Nagaland or Pondicherry? Correct answer is Pondicherry. Question number 54. Which part of the Himalayas lies between Satluj and Kali rivers? Nepal Himalayas, Kumaon Himalayas, Assam Himalayas or Punjab Himalayas? And the correct answer is Kumaon Himalayas. Question number 55. What does the use of bull as a motif in Ashokan pillar symbolize? Symbol of fertility, symbol of purity and fecundity, Dharma Chakra or departure of Siddhartha? The correct answer is symbol of fertility. Question number 56. Who was the father of Bindusar? Samudragupta, Ashok, Chandragupta Maurya or Bhadrabahu? And the correct answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Question number 57. Which of the following is the largest base in the world? Bay of Bengal, Bay of Biscay, Great Australian Bay, or the Georgian Bay? And the correct answer is Bay of Bengal. Question number 58. Which river is often considered as the Ganga of the South in terms of holiness? Kaveri, Krishna, Vaigai, Pennar. And the correct answer is Kaveri. Question number 59. Which of the following is the tallest plunge type waterfalls? Dudhsagar Falls, Nohkalikai Falls, Kandahar Falls, or Meenmati Falls? The correct answer is Nohkalikai Falls. Question number 60. Which among the following rivers is known as Singhi Khamban? Brahmaputra, Kosi, Kali, or Indus? And the correct answer is Indus. Question number 61. In which year did Mauryan king Bindusar die? 265 BC, 275 BC, 273 BC, 268 BC? And the correct answer is 273 BC. Question number 62. Dhamma Mahamatas were mentioned in which of the rock edicts? Third edict, sixth edict, fifth edict, seventh edict? And the correct answer is fifth edict. Question number 63. Which of the following is the highest waterfall of Tamil Nadu? Suruli Falls, Kumbhakarai Falls, Vattaparai Falls, Thallayar Waterfalls? And the correct answer is Thallayar Waterfalls. Question number 64. Which of the following is known as mango shower? Rainfall from June to September, pre-monsoon rainfall in Karnataka and Kerala, rainfall caused by western disturbances, and rainfall in winter days? And the correct answer is pre-monsoon rainfall in Karnataka and Kerala. Question number 65. Which of the following is the only sanctuary where Kashmir's stag is found? Dachigam, Manas, Jim Corbett, or Kanha? And the answer is Dachigam. Question number 66. According to Indian literature, who were referred to as Yavanas, Mughals, Mauryans, Indo-Greeks or Indo-Romans? And the answer is Indo-Greeks. Question number 67. Which of the following authored the Gatha Satyasai, Hala, Yajn Shri Satakarni, Gautami Putra Vijay Satkarni or Chand Satkarni? And the correct answer is Hala. Question number 68. Who was the commander of Samudragupta's army during his southern campaign? Veerasen, Harisen, Banbhat or Mahindra? And the answer is Veerasen. Question number 69. At which of the following places the copper industry is located? Digboi, Khetri, Tarapur or Pimpri? And the answer is Khetri. Question number 70. What is the correct order of the tiger reserves from north to south? Corbett, Simplipal, Sariska, Periyar, Periyar, Simplipal, Sariska, Corbett, Periyar, Sariska, Simplipal, Corbett, Corbett, Sariska, Simplipal, Periyar. The correct answer is Corbett, Sariska, Simplipal, Periyar. Question number 71. Which of the following kings succeeded Avantivarman? Jaisimha, Vajrayudh, Shankarvarman, Yashovardhan? And the correct answer is Shankarvarman. Question number 72. Which project is a joint agreement between India and Nepal? Machkund project, Koyna project, Kosi project or Mahi project? And the correct answer is Kosi project. Question number 73. Which state of India has the highest potential for biogas? Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh or Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 74. Which of the following clearly defines mixed farming? Growing Rabi as well as Kharif, growing several crops and also rearing animals, growing of fruits as well as vegetables, or growing of several crops in a planned way? And the answer is B. Growing several crops and rearing animals. Question number 75. Which is the only Vakataka ruler to whom the title Samrat was accorded? प्रवर सेना, विंध्य शक्ति, रुद्रसेन 2 या प्रजाशक्ति? And the correct answer is Pravara Sena. Question number 76. Which of the following wrote Arya Siddhant? Balabhadra, Prithu Swami, Aryabhatta or Bhattotpal? And the correct answer is Aryabhatta 2. Question number 77. Which of the following wrote his commentary on the Manusmriti? Medhatithi, Vishwarupa, Bharuchi or Yogalok? And the correct answer is Medhatithi. Question number 78. The writers Prithu Swami, Bhattotpal and Vijayanandi belonged to which century? 10th, 9th, 12th or 11th? And the correct answer is 10th. Question number 79. India is the largest world producer of which of the following? Rice, milk, cotton, coffee. And the correct answer is milk. Question number 80. Which among the following pairs are not correct? Golden Revolution horticulture, White Revolution milk, Green Revolution agriculture, Blue Revolution poultry. And the correct answer is Blue Revolution poultry. Question number 81. As per the census of 2011, which state has the lowest population density? Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Arunachal Pradesh, Lakshadweep. And the correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 82. As per the census of 2011, which UT has the lowest population density? Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar, Delhi, Puducherry. And the correct answer is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Question number 83. As per census 2011, state with the highest density of scheduled tribes population is Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand. The correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Question number 84. The correct sequence from west to east of the following hilly caste is Jaintia Naga Garo Khasi, Jaintia Naga, Naga Jaintia Khasi Garo, Naga Jaintia. And the correct answer is B. Garo Khasi Jaintia Naga. Question number 85. Which of the following places are called as the cradle of Indian temple architecture? Alhol, Badami, Pattadakal, Khajuraho. And the correct answer is Alhol. Question number 86. Which king built a Shiv temple at Gangaikonda Cholapuram and excavated a tank called Jodagar? Rajendra II, Rajadhiraj, Rajendra I, Veer Rajendra. And the correct answer is Rajendra I. Question number 87. Who was the Director General of Archaeological Survey of India at the time of excavation of Harappan site of Indus Valley Civilization? John Marshall, Dayaram Sahani, R.D. Banerjee, M. Wheeler. And the correct answer is John Marshall. Question number 88. The most crowded household is found in which of the following states of India? Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi. And the correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 89. Theory of special relativity was developed by Galileo, Einstein, J.C. Bose or Newton? And the correct answer is Einstein. Question number 90. Prairies are grasslands typically found in Africa, Asia, South America or North America? The correct answer is North America. Question number 91. Which of United States President visited India at the same time as Cripps mission? Herbert Hoover, Harry S. Truman, Franklin D. Roosevelt, Calvin Coolidge. And the correct answer is Franklin D. Roosevelt. Question number 92. In which year did India Office of the Secretary of State for India and Burma end? 1933, 1947, 1946 or 1945? Correct answer is 1947. Question number 93. Who among the following was the first martyr of the revolt of 1857? Paltu Khan, Mangal Pandey, Amar Singh, Israel Pandey. The correct answer is Mangal Pandey. Question number 94. Which of the following is the smallest gulf in the world? Gulf of Aqaba, Gulf of California, Gulf of Guinea, or Gulf of Oman? And the correct answer is Gulf of California. Question number 95. In which of the following gulf the largest oil spill took place? Gulf of Mexico, Gulf of Aden, Gulf of Bothnia, or Gulf of Honduras? Correct answer is Gulf of Mexico. Question number 96. Which is the world's largest island country? Madagascar, Australia, Indonesia, or Greenland? Correct answer is Indonesia. Question number 97. Which of the following was the key mistake by the British during the First Anglo-Afghan War? An unpopular ruler was put on throne, ignored reports of discontent among people, increased the British forces abruptly, or high taxes on opium? And the correct answer is A. Unpopular ruler was put on throne. Question number 98. Which is world's largest island? Madagascar, Australia, Indonesia, Greenland? The correct answer is Greenland. Question number 99. The appeal from the Federal Court of India established by Government of India Act 1935 could be taken to Privy Council in London, Viceroy of India, Secretary of State for India, or King of England? Correct answer is Privy Council in London. The last and the 100th question. After the First World War, which among the following external events put most profound impact on the course of Indian national movement? May 4th movement in China, Russian Revolution of 1917, rise of Egyptian Revolution, or proclamation of Irish Republic by Sinn Féin Party? And the correct answer is Russian Revolution of 1917. So this was the UPSC Prelims General Studies 100 questions. I hope you enjoyed, and please put your scores in the comments so that we can analyze how you can improve yourself and how far you need to go. This is Anupma Chandra, ex-Civil Services Officer, and I help you to clear UPSC. So like, share and subscribe my channel.